Dear students, today it's question number 6 of applications of trigonometry. Up to question number 5 we have already completed. Question number 6 reads, at 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from 30 meters tall building. The angle of elevation of the from the eyes to the top of the building increase from 30 to 60 as he walks towards the building. Find the distance he walked towards the building. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing in front of a building. Suppose this is a building. AB is the height of the building, and this is 30 meter tall building. Now 1.5 meter tall boy is standing on the ground. This is 1.5. This is also 1.5 meter. Now he's standing in front of the 30 meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 to 60 as he walks towards the building. From 30 to the top of the building, B is the point that is top of the building. Here the angle is 30 degree. Now this boy moves towards the building and the angle increases from 30 to 60. You have to find the distance he moved towards the building. Suppose this is C, and this is D, this is E, and this is F. You have to find this DF. This is the distance he moved towards the building. Now since DC is the height of the boy, DC is equal to 1.5 meter, DC is equal to FE is equal to GA is equal to 1.5 meter is the height of the boy. Let AB is equivalent to 30 meters is the height of the building, and DC is equivalent to FE is equal to GA is equal to 1.5 meter is the height of the boy. And DF, opposite sides of a rectangle are always equal. DF is equivalent to CE. This is to be determined. Is the distance the boy walked towards the building. Towards the building. Now we need to find this distance he moved towards the building. He walked towards the building. This DF we need, this DF. Now DC is the height of the boy, EF is the height of the boy, AG is the height of the boy. Now what is BG? BG is equal to 30 minus 1.5. This is 28.5 meters. This is the BG height. Okay. Now we know that we have to involve those two sides of a triangle in which one is given and one which is to be determined. Suppose, let me rub this temporarily, this BF. Now, in right angle triangle, BDG, right angle at this point G. Now, this is given, this DG divided by BG, because we take the ratio of these two sides in which one is given and one is to be determined. One which is to be determined should be taken as the numerator. So DG is the numerator. This is base by perpendicular. Perpendicular by base is tan theta. And what is base by perpendicular? It is cot theta. So this is cot 30. Now this DG divided by BG. What is BG? It is 28.5. 28.5 is equal to cot 30. Cot 30 is so what is this cot 30? Cot 30 is under root 3. This is under root 3. Or you can write this DG is equal to 28.5 under root 3. Now, in right triangle, this is very important question. In a right angular triangle BEG, now this FG divided by BG is equal to cot of theta. What is theta here? It is 60 degree. This time it is 60 degree. FG divided by BG is again 28.5 is equal to cot 60 is 1 by under root 3. 1 divided by under root 3. Therefore, FG is equal to 28.5 by under root 3. Name this equation second. Now we need to find this DF. Actually, this is the distance he walked towards the building. Now, what is this DF? DF is equal to whole DG minus FG, whole DG, and you will subtract this FG from DG and you will get this DF. This is our requirement. This is what we need. So what is our DG? This is 28.5 under root 3 minus what is FG? FG is 28.5 by under root 3. So by cross, this is equal to 28.5 into under root 3 into under root 3 is 3 minus 28.5 divided by under root 3. So this is further equal to 3 5s are 15, 3 is a 24, 24, 25, 3 to the 6. So this 85.5 minus 28.5 divided by under root 3. This is equal to 57 divided by under root 3, multiplying, rationalizing the denominator. This is 57 under root 3 divided by 3, 319 is R. So this DF is equal to 19 under root 3 meters. This is the distance he walked towards the building. So this was question number 6, very important question. Now question number 7 reads, from the point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building are 25 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. Now, a tower is standing on the 20-meter high building. A tower is standing from the point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top. First it is bottom and top of a transmission tower fixed at, the tower is fixed at 20-meter high building. Suppose this is the building and tower is fixed somewhere here. This is AB is the height. This is AB is called 20 meter is the height of the building, and BC is equal to suppose H is the height of the tower. Here it is a point somewhere here. Now, bottom of this, from the point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top of a transmission tower are 45. Bottom is making an angle of 45 degree. Suppose it's here D. And top of the tower makes an angle of 60 degree. This bigger angle is 60 degree. Now we need to find the height of this tower. Let AB is equivalent to 20 meter is the height of the building and BC is equivalent to H is the height of the tower. This is our requirement, height of the tower. Now D is any point on the ground and the bottom of the tower makes an elevation of 45 degree and top of tower, this is C, is the top of the tower, this makes an angle of 60 degree at this point. Now let's take this triangle, in right angular triangle DAB. Now this is given, AB is given and DA, what is this DA? So this is base, DA divided by AB, base perpendicular by base is tan theta and base by perpendicular is cot theta. What is theta here? It is 45. So DA divided by AB is 20 meter is equal to cot 45 is 1. By cross, what is DA? It is 20 meters. So our DA, this is 20 meters. Now, let's take this whole triangle. In triangle ACD, right angle at A. Now, this AD, this is given, AC divided by AD is equivalent to tan theta, tan 60 degree. AC is 20 plus H because AC is AB plus BC. This is 20 plus H divided by AD. AD we have already calculated is 20 is equal to tan 60. What is our tan 60? Tan 60 is under root 3. So this is under root 3. Now 20 plus H is equal to 20 under root 3. What is H? H is the height of the tower. This is 20 under root 3 minus 20. So further H is equal to taking this 20 common. We are left with under root 3 minus 1 meters. This is the height of the tower. Inshallah, tomorrow we shall attempt 2 more questions. Question number 8 and question number 9, 10. So till then, Allah Hafiz.